पहला बड़ा पेमेंट था जब गोविंदा पॉप एल्बम के कोरस में 3,000 रुपया मिला.
All of Govinda's sisters' children were living with him. No wonder Sunita felt burdened. It's tough to live among so many people who are dependent on just one person.
We never lived with him. We were in my own apartment. I think only Vinay lived in his house. He didn't help me out as in like, he made my life hell. I had completely lost myself.
चलो ठीक है, ये तो अच्छा
And age is a factor, yes. Age does play an important factor, but not in my head. हर गाने का मुझे 500 रुपया मिलता है. हर नर्सरी राइम का मुझे 500 रुपया मिलता है. विपुल जी ऑलवेज सेड टू मेरी अर्चना की रिप्लेसमेंट है. बट मुझे अर्चना जी को इस जन्म में रिप्लेस करने का कोई शौक नहीं है. So when I was doing ससुराल गेंदा फूल, so Comedy Circus used to call me to do the season. अंकिता सुशांत का 10:30 ऊपर का फ्लोर बुक्ड था और मेरा ग्राउंड फ्लोर. So we used to meet on the rehearsal, we used to shoot. He was really hardworking. I really liked him. I think he was really promising, and I think such a bright, intelligent, and such a lovely boy. It fails me to understand how could he do something like this. अब मैंने पहले की तरह काम मांगना छोड़ा है. Also because my priorities have shifted.
You are considered as a highest paid actor of television?
I guess I still am. So when your goddess's outfit is a bra and a dhoti with a dupatta and all the jewelry, so body is something which doesn't really, it doesn't make me uncomfortable. If there's a lot of skin show, I don't mind it.
I have some questions for you, fans questions basically, जो मैंने fans का निकाला है और मैं 4 से 5 कमेंट्स में लेकर आई हूँ जो फैंस ने आपके लिए लिखा था उसमें. ओके. रागिनी स्माइल करती है तो मनीषा कोइराला जैसी दिखती है.
I love Manisha Koirala. It's one compliment I've been receiving since childhood. And I think she's too pretty.
Wow, beauty with brains. She's different from the rest. I hope she finds the success she deserves.
Thank you again.
No serial like SGP, Sasural Genda Fool, and no such good cast like SGP.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, this is something against you. All of Govinda's sisters' children were living with him. No wonder Sunita felt burdened. It's tough to live among so many people who are dependent on just one person.
We never lived with him. We were in my own apartment with my, I think only Vinay lived in his house. So that also he moved after adulting. Vinay also, because my nani was living with Vinay, because of he had some circumstances. So nani mummy used to live in Jal Darshan. So automatically all the 6 children, they had, nani mummy and nana daddy had 6 children. So all the 6 children, obviously every evening used to meet the nani. And Vinay was living over there due to circumstantial reasons. And I was living with my parents in Andheri. But we used to play in the building every evening. So I don't think my family was a burden on anybody other than my mom and my dad. Like my dad set the rule pretty clear for us, that we came from Amritsar. I mean, if nothing worked here, we would just go back. Even till date, I yearn to go back to Amritsar. I want to buy a house over there. I genuinely want to buy a house in Amritsar and live there. My family is over there. I love them. They miss us and I miss them. I go back and, like Amritsar, my mom, me and Amit are treated like feather. We are feather light over there. Like I would kill to buy a house in Amritsar.
But your brother came here first, I guess, and he worked into industry and then he helped you out there, no?
No, Amit was the first TV actor. Yeah. But Amit was the touchwood. Amit was the it boy in the ad circuit. So Amit was for me, Amit is my white horse, and he was always the front runner, and I was like a bhaiya ko copy, and I called myself the black sheep of the family. So Amit did advertising, Amit did MBA. So I was like, even I want to do advertising. I want to do MBA like bhaiya. Then Amit got into ads, but I want to be a singer. But I followed his footsteps. So I emulate him like to the T. And if anything goes wrong with me, he can't even yell at me because he knows I'm emulating him. So he's gonna blame himself. He's the OG.
बट अच्छा है ना, एक पाथ मिल गया था. He helped you out in that way.
He didn't help me out as in like, you know, he made my life hell. He still makes my life hell, but I mean,
No filter vibe end में.
no, we are like sibling rivalry at its peak, you know. And we had gone to this one TV show as children called Tir Kaman, and the episode was also sibling rivalry. So we are like the poster children of sibling rivalry. Okay, but also, but when in times of disdain, in times of trauma, we are each other's biggest anchor. But other than that, we make life hell for each other. Right from who's going to finish the bottle of milk from the fridge, who's going to have chai, who's going to get the gas empty, who's going to finish which fruit. So now, since I'm on a weight loss, I keep all the chocolates in the fridge. So he can just finish it, and he's become really fat, and I've lost weight.
And just because of you, अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं वो, this gonna make your time bit hell.
And I'm loving it that I'm losing weight and he's still obese. So now he's gonna follow my footsteps. So I also get a kick in getting him emulating.
Absolutely. Do you have any plans for marriage?
I'm meeting a lot of boys, but my priority is losing weight. So it's like a parallel to my weight loss journey.
यार हमें अभी भी दुख और दर्द होता है कि कॉमेडी सर्कस नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था आपको.
मैं कॉमेडी सर्कस ही हूँ पूरा.
I know, that's the reason. कोई सिद्धू को उठाकर आपको बैठा दे वहाँ पे.
नहीं, वो विपुल जी है ना जो
हाँ.
ऑप्टिमिस्टिक्स के. हाँ. विपुल जी ऑलवेज सेड तू मेरी अर्चना की रिप्लेसमेंट है. बट मुझे अर्चना जी को इस जन्म में रिप्लेस करने का कोई शौक नहीं है. आई थिंक शी इज ब्रिलियंट. शी लाइक तू मेरे हर जोक पे हंसती है.
बट वो चेंज हुआ है क्योंकि आपको कोट किया गया था उस वक्त ना.
कभी?
जब कॉमेडी सर्कस आप छोड़ रहे थे.
मैं कॉमेडी सर्कस का कभी हिस्सा ही नहीं थी.
नहीं, कपिल शर्मा के साथ जब आप होस्ट कर रही थी,
वो मैंने एक ITA का इवेंट होस्ट किया, दैट्स इट.
तो आपको कोट किया गया था, यू लेफ्ट दैट शो बिकॉज ऑफ you know that they want some hot girls to come in.
No, it's not like, so basically I tell you, so when I was doing Sasural in the Pool, so Comedy Circus used to call me to do the season, but I didn't have dates. I was in contract, I was blocked with Sasural, like 3 दिन दे दो, 6 दिन दे दो, but वो भी इनके promotions में, shows में चले जाते थे, तो I could not do, और मुझे stand up आता भी नहीं था. I mean, you know, मुझे लगता है, I think, yeah, interview में I can talk and make everyone laugh, but my realities are far more humorous than my scripts, I think. You know, while scripting, there's a sense of responsibility. When I'm speaking, you know, non-verbatim, there's just no filter. I'm just talking, and it's my first thought.
And also it comes because I think हमारा वो एक connection भी हो गया ना बात करते करते, तो I think तभी नहीं तो otherwise I see you मैं.
No, I'm a stand-up with my friends also. My kissas are only stand-ups. You just have to leave me on camera and I will just start talking and it becomes a stand-up comedy act.
Oh, मुझे लगा वो एक होता है ना कि आपका comfort zone वाले time वहीं पे you speak.
Yeah, you really make me comfort. That's why I keep talking to you ना.
मुझे ये लग रहा था इसलिए.
Other journalists are going to judge me कि आप सिर्फ जया के साथ बात करते हो, हमारे साथ नहीं.
They have already texted me a lot कि भाई क्या है यार, तू ही बात कर ले प्लीज एक बारी.
अब नेक्स्ट टाइम आप उनके क्वेश्चंस भी ले आना.
मैंने बोला नो. Good one. I will do that.
After every interview, I get a call. Ma'am, can we do one more? I said, but you will make me talk what I've already spoken in the preceding one. You want me to repeat? Just watch it again.
That's a fact, but by the way. But Ragini, how does it feel when people take you in a wrong way? Then many times people have judged you just because you haven't spoken about it. That I saw one of your reels जहाँ पे आपने वो चीज़ बोला नहीं था, but people took in that कि गोविंदा के नाम पे they all have grown. They all have got the projects because of Govinda was there in the industry. Does that feel bad?
No, I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything, honestly speaking. I don't know, people will talk. How can I shut anyone's mouth? I'm like, oh, keep your mouth shut. No, I'm not that person. Please talk. I want to know what you think. I want to know how you feel towards me. So that's where I get to rework on myself and my trajectory as a career woman, as a business woman also.
Correct. Now you're a businesswoman. Absolutely, you have to think in that way.
Yeah. So now, whatever it is, good, bad, ugly, you give me the feedback. I'm taking it all in my stride, so that I know where I need to work. Even if it is constructive criticism, it is trolling, it is hating, it is body shaming, anything. Because I have presented myself to the audience. I am responsible for all the flack, all the accolades. If I'm taking the accolades, I'll take the brickbats and the glory.
बट ट्रोलिंग भी हुई है थोड़ी मोड़ी ना, कभी कभी एज शेमिंग के कारण, कभी कभी बॉडी शेमिंग के कारण, तब खराब हुआ, कभी फील हुआ?
I don't care, Jaya. Okay, people really call me snooty. I am snooty. Now, I am snooty. If you find me rude, I'm not rude. I'm just very self-assured. But if you think इसका दिमाग खराब हो गया, that's not the case. I now पहले मैं थोड़ा ना ज़्यादा humble हो जाती थी. I just to not make the सामने वाला feel bad about my success. But then I realized if you have an issue with my success, keep it to yourself. I've really worked hard. I have really slogged myself. I have worked so hard. I know in what conditions I have worked, and I know what I have gone through. And only the wearer know where the shoe pinches. I cannot prove to every single individual. मैं सबके घर जा जाके I can't sell myself ना. You will come around. I am already in the right place by God's grace and with all humility. You will come around, because in my career path, I have really tried to do everything which is right for me and my team, and people who are working with me, for me, and by me. And I'm honestly a call away. You genuinely have an issue with me, please call me and talk to me about it. I'll really try helping you out. I go out of my way to help. But if it is beyond my understanding and beyond my control and beyond my boundary, yes, I will not cross the boundary with anybody. That's how I'm raised. And if you're questioning my upbringing, then that's something you got to deal with. I really cannot. I mean, my mom and dad have raised me in this particular manner. They've raised me to be an educated, working professional who's also outspoken, go-getter, ambitious. Fine. There's a lot of attached to a woman's success. So, and then people who are throwing, hurling abuses at me, or people who are really, trying to hogwash my achievement, then they want to achieve what I have achieved. By bringing me down, you want to take my spot. How can you take my spot? How can you get a girl off the pedestal she built for her own self? Every brick is laid by me. I have built every brick of my body. How will you take it away? So you're being irrational.
Do you think it's women are being judged more क्योंकि वो अगर सक्सेसफुल हो जाती है तो?
No, maybe in my case I came up without a hero. So that really worked against me.
Right. In your part, though, you were only the hero.
I am the hero But I really want to collaborate with a hero.
Yeah.
It's just that it never happened. I love heroes. I mean, for work, I think they are outstanding. But every time I've become the hero in every script of mine. So I think that was my, if you want to call it, that was my probably somewhere I didn't fill the gap, is I never worked with a big hero. And even if I worked, my biggest hero I worked was with Akshay Kumar sir, but he was the producer. Yeah. But then I again worked with the Gippy Grewal, who's one of the biggest star in Punjab.
उसके बाद आपने तो श्रेयस के साथ भी काम किया है.
Yeah, but in the Shreyas Talpade and Om Puri sir and Deepak Dobriyal, but they were all in the capacity of highly skilled actors. Yes. I mean, those scripts were very actor enabled,
Correct.
Like, how you have this formula.
With Pankaj Tripathi.
Pankaj sir, yes. Pankaj ji, no, Pankaj ji in Gurgaon, yeah. Yeah, he played my father.
And it was amazing working with him, ना? आपने बताया था मुझे.
Nawaz ji also. Dhoomketu. So Dhoomketu, you see, the climax of Dhoomketu is Bachchan sir reading Nawaz ji the Dhoomketu's script. It is so cathartic. I mean, you see Dhoomketu, it is so cathartic to every outsider who comes from a small town, who really has hope and ambition, but no technical know-how. So I think Dhoomketu is the film for me.
But was there any time in your journey, Ragini, जहाँ पे you felt the things are not going right and you wanted to work but you didn't have a work?
So many times. There's so many, मतलब हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश बता so many dreams. But हर किसी को मुकम्मल जहाँ नहीं मिलता. But जो मिला है बहुत उम्दा मिला है, और जो मेरे लिए बना है वही मिला है. जो मेरा नहीं है वो कभी नहीं हासिल हुआ.
मतलब आपके पास तो आया भी था. I think there are opportunities which came to your side.
But you know जया, अभी आपको पता है कि मैं 24 दिन ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ब्लॉक्ड हूँ. तो मैं अनप्रोफेशनल कैसे बिहेव करूँ? मेरी इच्छाएं हैं कि मेरा अगर बच्चे जैसा दिल है, लेकिन बच्चे जैसे दिल के ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोफेशनल कोड और एथिक कोड है. वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं भी हो तो भी वो प्रोफेशनलिज्म होना चाहिए.
What things have been changed now than before in TV industry? If you are in touch with someone or you get to know something about it.
यही कि मेरा शो जिस रेटिंग पे बंद हुआ था वो आज नंबर 1 शो है.
She's still in love with Sasural Genda. Well, I just want everyone to say this कि कोई ससुराल गेंदा फूल को पार्ट 2 अगर बना सकते हैं.
No, please, वो बन चुका है, वो सब हो चुका है. But I think it is still, I don't want another season. But I think it is the best show on television ever. And I really mean it honestly. It's not a joke. It's the truth. It's the best show on television till date.
But
मेरा दिमाग खराब है.
नहीं एक्चुअली सबका फेवरेट, और हम सारे 90s वाले रिलेट कर सकते हैं ना, है ना?
I mean, भले आपकी रेटिंग उससे मेरे शो से शायद ज़्यादा आ गई, या आपकी ज़्यादा आपने पैसे कमा लिए, आपको ज़्यादा एवेन्यूज़ खुल गए, but I think creatively strong.
Yes, absolutely.
In terms of shot taking.
But you also did झलक दिखला जा, क्योंकि आपको डांस का बहुत शौक था, है ना? तो उसमें आप माधुरी दीक्षित जी थी, रेमो डिसूजा थे, मलाइका थी. How was that?
It was great. It was great.
It was one of your passion.
It was bone breaking.
Yeah.
I mean, I was doing TV along with it.
Yes.
So I used to shoot the whole day and do my rehearsals in the night. But I did it in the love of dancing. But today I feel कि अगर मैं proper sleep के साथ normal circumstances में करती तो मैं ज़्यादा, और मुझे लगता है कि मैं और बेहतर कर पाती. But मुझे लगता है कि जिधर जितना लिखा होता है उतना ही होता है. I don't regret it. I mean,
in that same season Sushant was also there.
Yeah.
है ना? Collaborate हुआ था, कोई बातचीत हुआ था?
No, we used to rehearse in the same rehearsal hall. Yeah. So Ankita and Sushant used to rehearse on the first floor with their choreographers, and I used to rehearse on the ground floor. तो 9 to 9 सब शूट करके आते थे.
हाँ, सारे सीरियल्स वाले ही थे, राइट.
तो हमारा ब्लॉक था, अंकिता सुशांत का 10:30 ऊपर का फ्लोर बुक्ड था और मेरा ग्राउंड फ्लोर. So we used to meet on the rehearsals, we used to shoot. He was really hardworking. I mean, I think I really liked him. You know, I think he was really promising, and I think such a bright, intelligent, and such a lovely boy. I mean, it fails me to understand how could he do something like this. You know, I mean, it's unbelievable to me now, because I know I've seen him in his peak, I've seen him in his glory, I've partied with him once. He was so full of life. You just can't believe he did something like that.
Absolutely. वो था ही उस, और वो वक्त बहुत कोविड का वक्त चल रहा था. I remember it was so depressing for all of us.
It came as a shock, and I've really cried a lot when it hit me. And I was like, मैं उसको जानती भी नहीं थी. I didn't know him. Like event पे मिल गई, झलक हो गया या एक पार्टी में मिल गए. उसके अलावा मतलब बट वी ऑल स्टार्टेड टुगेदर. लाइक यू नो हम साथ में फिल्मों में भी शायद साथ में उसी वक्त में आए. It just I can't believe he did something like that. I mean, he was such a beautiful man. I mean, I really found him too promising. I really liked him.
Absolutely. I think everyone were in awe of him, his work, I feel.
No, I mean, you know, even if I don't agree to his on-screen acting or on-screen performance, multiple reasons, but I know him behind the screens. I know the hard work that boy had put into, you know, it's not easy to break into the movie business as a solo leading man, especially if you're such a popular TV actor. You know, to get a film on his shoulders, to get a solo release, and to have every big production backing you up, to have every studio counting you as a relatable star. And he really cracked it for himself. I only saw him getting married and having children. I mean, that was the only thing left on his.
I think no, there was a time in between where you were considered as a highest paid actor of television.
I guess I still am.
Can you just tell us the money?
Sorry, I can't be unfair to my network.
Yes.
The networks love me and I love them back.
So I just wanted to ask you about कि how did that felt भाई आए और कर दी सब कुछ उस लड़की ने मेरे को घुमा दिया.
But the network agreed to pay me, and I think.
But
See,
this
you know,
went
Jaya-
viral. This went this popular after that your money got.
I don't know if the news has ever come out. You're the first person who's ever said this to me. I thought it was a secret between me and the network.
I was reading somewhere actually. I will tell you after.
Please
this.
send me that article. Either it was our little secret with the network. But I'll be honest, yeah, it was never about the money. It was always, you know, like somehow, you know, you equate money to a lot of compensation. Like you just feel money is sometimes a very big compensation to what all you've missed out on and to what all you have worked for.
बट कभी ऊपर ऐसे लगा कि भाई मैं हाईएस्ट पेड एक्टर हूँ और मैं चांद के ऊपर.
मुझे पता है क्या लगा.
हाँ?
मुझे लगा मैंने कितने जूते घिसे हैं जो मुझे यहाँ पर पहुँचने का मौका मिला. कभी कभी खुद का ही मेहनत सोच सोच के हिल जाती हूँ. ऐसे ही थोड़ी किसी को भी पैसे मिल जाते हैं यार.
करेक्ट है. बट अब जब हॉटस्टार पे एयर होता है तो कुछ पैसे मिलते हैं?
ना ना.
नहीं.
It's the ना. How can you? Is the acting job is like दिहाड़ी. जाओ दिहाड़ी लो ले आओ.
पर डे का तो मिलता ही है.
हम लोग का मजाक था. रजिस्टर पे साइन किया कि नहीं टीवी में. And all senior actors only taught me all this. सब सीनियर्स के साथ ही काम किया है तो सीनियर लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे. तो हम लोग बच्चे बैठ के सुनते थे.
What's the controversy about life okay is welcome? क्या था ये?
अरे कुछ नहीं, वो तो क्लियर भी हो गया.
I was reading somewhere. People wrote about it.
अरे that one fellow contestant had made fun of my mother's name.
Oh.
But then I met him later and we sorted it out. It's done and dusted.
Done and dusted thing,
Yeah,
right? But what's your take on paparazzi video these days? People
I
coming
love.
out. No, people coming out of the new ladies in the town coming out and showing their body basically. So what's your take on that?
But I think that's always been existing, no? I mean, I think the Hindu goddesses also, they always wore a kanchuki and a dhoti. So when your goddess's outfit is a bra and a dhoti with the dupatta and all the jewelry, so body is something which doesn't really, you know, it doesn't make me uncomfortable. If there's a lot of skin show, I don't mind it. Like, you know, I think my only issue always was that you should have a good body. Like my issue is I have no issues with people showing their bodies, but show me which something is my aesthetic. And I have a very strong body aesthetic. Like I really want to see a fit man. And if that fit man is removing his shirt, I think it's too appealing. And I think it's too sexy. But you show me a guy with a tummy who's taking care of his health. It's a put off. But then
Absolutely.
probably your character is like that.
Right, absolutely correct. Correct.
I don't like men with tummies.
Guys, note it down. Note down.
I mean, even men don't like women with tummies.
Of course, of course.
It's both ways.
I wanna ask you, what's the transformation about? क्या हुआ है ये transformation भाई? Just been only 6 months. I met you last 8 or 9 months, I guess. You were something else, and today you're something else. क्या है इसके पीछे का राज? I want to ask this first.
So basically what happened was that because I was working all these years, तो मैंने ऐसे कोई मर्जी का कुछ खाया नहीं था. And लॉकडाउन लगा, so mom said nothing doing, you're not getting out of the house. I don't want a COVID baby in my house. और मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि मेरा बच्चा कोविड लेके हम सबको इन्फेक्ट कर दे. So she stopped my work. And because of that, मेरा इतना काम छूटा है that I could have nearly purchased a bungalow with the amount of money I could have made in COVID. But that didn't happen. So I was like, I have the time. So let me sort my personal life. So I started eating. And I ate so much. I want to eat to my heart's content. कि इतने साल से जितना परहेज किया था, ये नहीं खाया, वो नहीं खाया, वो नहीं खाया. तो I ate and I really ate. Then one fine day I realized I'm 20 kgs overweight. हाँ, मन की इच्छाएं इतनी ज़्यादा थी खाने की कि 20 kg put on हो गया. And then I realized I've put on too much weight. And then I went back to my nutritionist, which is Krishmi Cheda, who's my goddess. And she was like, I'm going to cut the meat off your body. And I was like, please do. And when I went to her, I was almost in tears because मुझे मेरे कपड़े fit नहीं आ रहे थे. And I was going into hitting the rock bottom. And I was like, I would go in depression if she didn't make me laugh. She was like, don't worry, we'll get it right. And then I just blindly followed her. Blindly, I mean, उसने जो कहा वो मेरे लिए पत्थर पे लग. I mean, she's been responsible for my body for Gurgaon, my body for Poshampa. I mean, all the work I've done after Sasural Genda Phool. So all the independent work, Krishmi was, forever there for me. And then I took a break from there also. I have 3 goddesses in my life. So these 3 goddesses have brought me back to life. I had completely lost myself.
नहीं चलो ठीक है, ये तो अच्छा
And age is a factor, yes. Age does play an important factor, but not in my head. Age plays a very important game because it's a mind game. If you want to create an obstacle, you can create age as an obstacle. People tell me your knees will go for a toss because you're running. So everything is your mind created. You are, like how they say, you give positive affirmations. I mean, you create your own hurdles, you create your own challenges, and you also overcome them. But the idea is to cut the obstacle when you think of it. It's all in the mind. Everything is here.
बट आपने अभी बोला अपने सेंटेंस में दैट कि आफ्टर कोविड यू लॉस्ट मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर थिंकिंग कि मेरे को अपने ऊपर ध्यान देना है. एंड देयर आर टाइम जहाँ पे अब आपको अपने लिए सोचना पड़ता है. तो कोई पछतावा है उन सारी चीज़?
Not at all. Also because why after Gurgaon and Poshampa, I mean ऐसा कोई crime show या violence का series नहीं है जो मुझे offer नहीं हुआ होगा. I want to thank God for being considered for every project on OTT or movie industry, whatever. But even TV for that matter. But at the same time, I was like, Poshampa में already इतना crime हो गया है. गुड़गांव में भी इतनी crime research हुई है. तो doing more criminal content based shows and doing more rape, sex and violence would only damage me emotionally further. So I have no regrets because मैं वो कर गई. अगर वो 2 projects नहीं किए होते तो I would have probably felt कि dark side explore नहीं किया है. वो repetition मैंने lose out किया, which is not really a loss. I've lost out on money, but I've earned my health. So according to my father saying, I've earned everything.
Absolutely. But can you name them?
I would not, it would be unprofessional on my part, but I would love to work with all of them who offered me, and they understood me, They understood my frame of mind and they agreed to me, because acting is something till the time I'm not convinced about projecting what you want me to project as an artist, I won't be able to do justice, because if I'm not in the right frame of mind and body, I won't do justice.
बट अप्रोच करती हैं अभी भी रोल्स को?
अब मैं नहीं करती, अब मैंने पहले की तरह काम मांगना छोड़ा है, also because my priorities have shifted, and it's been a good amount of years I've been working, but I want to thank God because I only entered the industry to do one TV show, and now down the years I have around 18 to 20 TV shows, 5 movies, so and so many events and appearances and ribbon cuttings and performances, and so much YouTube work now, that I only want to thank my stars. Like there's no, according to me, theatre also I've done one voiceover. I mean, there's no stream which has been untapped for me now. I've done a voiceover for theatre, I've done television, I've done movies, I've done independent, I've done OTT, I've done oh, YouTube. Now I'm
What you enjoyed the most?
everything. Like I feel like a newcomer again because now I'm back to singing, which was my first preference and which was the actual plan.
वो मैं गवाऊंगी लास्ट में आपसे, आपको पता है ना मैं लास्ट टाइम भी ये करवाई थी
Like,
आपसे।
people want to check if I'm on auto tune or no. क्योंकि असली में गाती है कि नहीं, इसे गा के दिखाओ।
तो सच बताना, लास्ट टाइम के इंटरव्यू के बाद कंट्रोवर्सी हुई कुछ घर पे या बाहर?
Controversy? नहीं. I think people are, people will. Okay, so again, now my parents, whatever I am now, is thanks to my parents. Now they have made me like this.
Yeah.
They alter my flaws,
Yeah.
and they also tell me where to edit and chop and get a filter. And they've always, I've always learned that people adjust according to who you are. Rather than me faking somebody else and becoming somebody to please someone and be a people pleaser, it's okay. I'll have 100 little people, but at least they will be mine. The authentic me.
सो मैंने देखा है रागिनी, आप ना अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे अभी भी ससुराल गेंदा फूल के जो क्लिप्स होते हैं ना, वो अभी भी आपको लोग टैग करते हैं। क्या वजह हो सकता है यार, लोग मूव ऑन ही नहीं करते इस ऐसे सीरियल से, क्योंकि आई फील अकॉर्डिंग टू मी देयर इज नो सच सीरियल्स कमिंग लाइक दिस, जस्ट लाइक ससुराल गेंदा फूल, और कई ऐसी स्टोरीज हैं जो वापस कहानियाँ हैं जो मुझे लगता है अब नहीं बनता है, जिसका नाम याद रखते हैं लोग।
I know, I mean, bless my cotton socks now. I swear, I mean, it's like unreal. I mean, today when I see ratings on the shows, the number 1 show की जो rating है, उस rating में मेरा show बंद हुआ था. I mean, we ended as a top show today. So maybe thanks to OTT, the show is on Reliance Jio Hotstar. So people still, like. My issue back then in television was कि how does one watch their favorite show again? But thanks to OTT, I mean, people can go on Jio Hotstar and watch my show. So I think because of that also, there's a lot of reminiscence to the show. And I don't know, I mean, कभी-कभी लगता है मेरा एक ही काम है. कोई भी इवेंट में जाओ, they like सुहाना AKA रागिनी खन्ना.
नहीं, बट भारती विद्या में भी आपका एक रोल था जो मेरे को याद है, मैंने ना वो क्लिप ना रखी थी अपने पास। भास्कर भारती के बारे में भी लोग कमेंट कर रहे थे।
अब मैंने वापस पहली बार YouTube पर मैंने अभी भास्कर भारती देखा, एंड आई वाज लाइक इतना बुरा शो भी नहीं था। मैंने आज भास्कर भारती देखा बैठ के। बैक देन आई डिडंट हैव द टाइम टू वॉच इट। So yeah, it was a decent show. It was a Argentinian show called La Lola. उसका official adaptation है, ये telenovela है. So Sony had taken rights and then they made this show. It was one of their most ambitious projects. I mean, the casting of this show, especially my part, I know how many auditions and look tests I had. Around 70 to 75 look tests for this show for Bhaskar Bharti.
But in during ये ससुराल गेंदा फूल के वक्त आई रिमेम्बर किस तरीके से वो शो एकदम सुपर हिट हो गया था. और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी उस बीच आपके पास कुछ दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स आते थे?
कौन सा?
ससुराल गेंदा फूल के वक्त में.
ससुराल गेंदा फूल के वक्त आई साउंड वेरी पॉम्पस बट सो बी इट. अब जो है सो है. अब सच्चाई से क्या मुँह छुपाना. गॉड हैज़ बिन टू जेनरस, गॉड इज टू काइंड, एंड आई एम overtly humbled with the kind of opportunities I received. Jay, I'll be very honest, during Sasural Genda Phool, firstly, I was doing every show on television. That time there was no exclusive contract. Because of people like me, I think a term called exclusive contract has come. Because every network's head had pressurized कि आपको माधुरी जी आ रहे हैं, झलक करना पड़ेगा, ये है, ये करना पड़ेगा. स्टार परिवार में सुहाना के बगैर परिवार कैसे करेंगे. तो एवरीवेयर बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस आई वाज इन एवरी चैनल्स फ्लैगशिप शो doing something really substantial.
Because they wanted you ना, because कहीं ना कहीं आप उनको अच्छी खासा
Maybe, maybe the character was also big super hit, and the spill effect of a hugely popular character translates into a lot of work. And people really believe in the concept of making hay while sun shines. That's exactly what I did. And that is how it is for an actor. Make hay while sun shines. Abhi now there's no reasoning to it. जब there's like बरस रहा है काम आपके ऊपर, and then suddenly एकदम ही आपको सुखाड़ भी आ गया. I mean, there's suddenly there's just no work, and suddenly there's so much work, and then you suddenly feel like you rule the industry, and suddenly you feel that nobody even knows you. But these are two extremes you need to go through when you face this kind of popularity and this kind of exposure. In that, maintaining your tranquility, maintaining your body mind balance is something which is really difficult, and I was really new. And I mean, I think it happens to every new person only. I mean, nobody is born with this kind of training. But I had my mother who really kept me grounded, who really showed me the reality, and we've really struggled. We've really worked hard. I mean, even to get this cup of chai in my hand, I know I've worked so hard for this cup of chai. I mean, not even a glass of water I have achieved without hard work. So everything in my life, including my breath, is earned.
But was there any time जहाँ पे you felt like people have forgotten me?
Yes. So that is what happens, yeah. See, what happens is, like, you burst it, you just break into the industry and you're everywhere. And it happens with everyone. And then, everybody makes use of that particular moment because everybody wants to benefit. And not that it is not benefiting you as an artist. It is benefiting everyone. It is an equal give and take. It benefits you in terms of stature, money, politics, friendships, status, everything. So you got to do your math where it fixes you and what you need. You fix your way out, because when there'll be drought, you will be out and you will be unseen and you will be unrecognized. Like, so you have to be prepared for the flood and the drought. So consistency is something which life also doesn't commit. So consistency in career and expecting sanity and vanity is probably living in a fool's paradise.
But you're in touch with Sasural Genda Phool के सारे cast के साथ?
No.
जय के साथ, ईशान?
Jay, I interacted because of his podcast. I don't know why we call it podcast. Actually, it's not a podcast. It's a video interview. But I'm in touch with. I shot a song with the DOP Rupesh. So he was also my DOP on my song which I directed. So that was my debut direction.
You did. I think अभी करे है, कुछ दिन पहले ही वो.
No, that was some years now.
The one which you have released अभी
जो release हुआ, I've just sung.
Yeah.
अभी एक और आने वाला है, शादी करा दे, which is a video we have just shot for fun, at home only. So, but all my YouTube work is home videos, and but that video I had directed, and I was in touch with Rupesh, and I'm not in touch with anybody because I stay in touch with one clique, the other feels left out. And when the other feels left out, because my behavior was equal with everyone. I was a neutral one everywhere, fortunately, So because I was neutral, I would like to keep it neutral till date. I don't want to be a part of a gang. I don't want to be a part of a camp. I'm individual, and that's how I want it.
And is that an engagement ring?
No, this is just a fake, cheap imitation ring. This is just for the look. This is a part of the styling.
Yeah.
I wear all
Good.
cost-effective jewelry on shooting.
Everyone does that.
Mommy doesn't give me real jewelry for shooting.
Astrology behind?
Astrology, basically, Mummy ka channel was always existing, Beauty with Astrology, which was her own science. So over the years, she really built up on astrology. My only astrologer is my mother. If not my mother, I don't have an astrologer. If not my mother, I don't believe in astrology. So I've told her, till the time my children are born, till the time you make their horoscope, if you don't want to, she said, मैं मर जाऊंगी and everything, don't give me all that. I said, you have to make my child's horoscope. Otherwise, my children are not having kundalis ever.
बट कोई आपके पूरे इस जर्नी में कोई ऐसा टाइम रहा है जो डिसीजन आपने ले लिया था एंड देन आज भी आप रिग्रेट करती हो कि यार ये डिसीजन मुझे नहीं लेना चाहिए था उस वक्त इन वर्क लाइफ?
जैसे कि
कोई प्रोजेक्ट में आपने काम कर लिया हो या
नहीं नहीं, मतलब मेरे जो हालात थे वो मैं ही जानती हूँ ना. I know where I came from. I know what all I went through in my personal life, and I know what all my मेरी कमियाँ भी मुझे मेरी कमियाँ ज़्यादा पता है. जब मेरी कोई तारीफ कर देता है ना, मुझे धक्का लग जाता है, मुझे प्रेशर हो जाता है कि मैं कैसे इनकी तारीफ को कैसे मैं मैच अप कर पाऊँ. तो मेरे को तारीफ से ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. I'm so used to being trolled. I'm so used to being competed with. I'm so used to the competition that one person praises me, I feel, अरे बाप रे, I sink. Now it has become reverse psychology.
बहुत कम एज में you started working ना?
Yeah.
बहुत कम एज में you started working.
I'm working, actually not working, I'm not child labor, but I used to be mama's background chorus. तो मम्मी used to do माता रानी की चौकीज़. तो मैं मम्मी की जहाँ जहाँ आवाज़ नहीं लगती थी ऊंचा सुर लगाने में, मैं पीछे बैठ के सुर लगाती थी.
So you did that also?
Yeah. So
ये कहीं नहीं लिखा था आपके बारे में. अच्छा वो आपने बता दिया ये.
This is, I've never spoken about this. So mummy used to do chowkis and jagrans, not jagrans, majorly chowkis. So I used to sing पीछे. So I used to be her backup vocal. उसके बाद at the age of 13 she put me into chorus for a pop album. Then I used to then my first job was 19 when I did one Dena Bank का ad or the brochure catalog जिसमें there were 5-6 students.
So you did sometime call center thing also, no?
I did call center for 2 months.
Yeah.
And I had to leave it because of some reasons. But I also I was my mama's driver. Like I used to work for mom only, and mom used to pay me. So I never had a pocket money. I used to get paid for my jobs I used to do for my mother.
Wow.
Today also I sing for Kamini Khanna Music. I get 500 rupees per song.
From your mother. Wow. सही है ना यार, घर बैठी पैसे मिल रहे कभी कभी.
You don't know what those 500 rupees mean to me.
Yes.
तो बचपन में वो चौकी गाती थी तो मुझे पर चौकी 2000 रुपया मिलता था.
और आज 500 मिल रहा है आपको.
अभी बहुत कमा लिए ना. उस वक्त पॉकेट मनी नहीं थी.
Yes.
तो कभी 1000-2000 मिनिमम मेरा फिक्स था चौकी का. रिहर्सल होती थी सिंगिंग की, पीछे गाना होता था. फिर पहला बड़ा पेमेंट था जब गोविंदा पॉप एल्बम के कोरस में 3000 रुपया मिला. फिर उसके बाद में मम्मी सहारा में कंसल्टेंट थी, तो वहाँ पे जॉब लगाई. मम्मी को गाड़ी से ड्राइवर की तरह छोड़ना, ड्राइवर की तरह आना. ड्राइविंग के पैसे में
कितना मिलता था?
2000 महीने का. तो मेरी लाइफ में पॉकेट मनी कभी कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था. मम्मी के लिए जो काम करती थी, मम्मी बोलती थी तूने मेरे ड्राइवर का पैसा बचाया, तू ड्राइवर का पैसा ले. तूने बैकअप वोकल का पैसा बचाया, तू वो पैसा ले.
He was very loyal towards things.
I'm mommy's servant.
Yeah. No, because he's very loyal and professional. हाँ भाई काम कर रहे हैं तो बच्चा
मम्मी की लॉयल नौकरानी हूँ मैं.
No, I'm talking about your mother. She's loyal. She's loyal. भाई प्रोफेशनली तरीके से पैसा भी दे रही है.
इतनी पढ़ी लिखी हेल्प है मम्मी की. आज भी
हाँ.
मम्मी का मेकअप कर दिया, लाओ 500 रुपया निकालो. हर गाने का मुझे 500 रुपया मिलता है, हर नर्सरी राइम का मुझे 500 रुपया मिलता है।
ये ना उनको बढ़ावा दे रहे हो आप, वो सारे बच्चों को जो आपके पास जो भी मम्मी का काम करेंगे 500 रुपया दो।
बट होना ही चाहिए, फ्री में पॉकेट मनी क्यों ले? बट सी, दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट यूज्ड टू मेकिंग माई ओन मनी, बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस। मैंने कभी मॉम डैड के भी आगे आफ्टर आई टर्न 18 ऐसे हाथ नहीं फैलाया कि मम्मा पैसे दे दो। आई अर्नड इट, आई अर्नड every penny. It made me the career I am. You know, I think it started from home. I'm telling you, even a glass of water is earned in my life till date, and that 500 rupees is so humbling to me. It just shows me my spot.
सही है. So since you posted थिंग अबाउट योर लाइफ वंस आई रिमेंबर, कुछ साल पहले की बात है या कुछ साल टाइम की बात है जहाँ पे आपने लिखा कि मेरे को अपना लाइफ लो की ही पसंद है. नो, आई डोंट लाइक पोस्टिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन ग्राम. या आई डू शो माई थिंग्स ऑन ब्लॉग्स एंड दैट क्लिप आई पोस्ट. But why is that? Because you're a public figure at the end of the day and people want to see more of you. You know? But what was this decision about?
So basically, you know, I feel every art of mine, right from acting to singing, to my look, to my makeup, hair, styling, everything is given away. Every time I give, like every time even if I'm speaking to you right now, I'm giving a very huge part of my life away. You know? So I feel there needs to be something which needs to be my own. You know, which is my personal life. Which is my relationship with probably 2-3 people. I can only count 3. It's now my dad is not alive, so it will be my mother, my brother, and my husband. So these 3 relationships, I could probably not, you know, show my equation outside. I don't want to show how I'm looking disheveled at home. I mean, I have no vanity issues. I'm not like कि मेरे dark circles नहीं है या मैं ग्रेज नहीं है या बॉल्डिंग नहीं है या बट यू कैन रिकवर. सो इफ आई कैन करेक्ट माई हेल्थ देन वाई शो द बैड स्टफ? आई ओनली शो गुड स्टफ एंड गुड स्टफ कम्स बैक टू मी. इज व्हाट यू गिव इज व्हाट यू गेट. सो देयर इज अ चाइल्ड इन मी व्हिच डजंट वांट टू गिव अवे बैड एनर्जी. आई ओनली वांट टू गिव आउट गुडनेस and it really multiplies and comes back to me. I get lot of blessings.
Right. So we have a quick questions. ठीक है, it's 8 questions. Who is your celebrity crush in Bollywood?
No one.
कोई तो एक होगा जो फेवरेट होगा या पसंद होगा.
क्रश कोई नहीं है. बिकॉज ऐसे ना मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, क्रश बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है एंड देन आई मीट देम एंड दे पुट मी ऑफ सो बैडली कि मेरा सारा एंथुजियाज्म क्रश का इज डाउन द ड्रेन्स एंड आई गेट सो डिसअपॉइंटेड कि मैं इसको पसंद कर रही थी, इसने तो मुझे ऐसा बोल दिया. आई गेट सो इट्स लाइक अ हार्ट ब्रेक मोमेंट एवरी टाइम, यू नो, कि मैं तब यार इसमें क्या सोच रही थी और ये क्या निकला. एंड इट्स हैपेंड विद एवरी मैन. सो आई स्टॉप्ड क्रशिंग ऑन ऑल द बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स.
बट कोई फेवरेट
तो ऐसे, आई मीन they've really disappointed me, yeah. I mean, they've really put me off. And my crushing is not sleazy. I mean, you know, mine is just like, look, and I'm not even like, take your number, call and party and chill. I'm not that chick, you know. I'll just look at you on TV and gush and be happy and blush and just keep it to myself. And maybe meet you once at an event and just smile and get away. I'm that distanced. And you put me off in that also.
But you've never been into relationship?
In the industry, never.
Never?
Not one person.
So तभी कहीं नहीं लिखा है कुछ.
But they're huge put-offs, yeah.
Yeah.
They're huge put-off. I mean, put-off, I mean, to what? To the magnanimity of the put-off is something I can't even, is beyond explanation.
But during you were shooting, that time also you're not into any relationships?
I've had a personal life, but not in the industry. Yes, so that's my very big disconnect. which keeps me
या फिर
happily
ये
real.
है आपका क्राइटेरिया कि इंडस्ट्री से किसी कोई नहीं चाहिए मुझे?
अब तो जो इंडस्ट्री के ऐसे उदाहरण मिले हैं और जो एक्सपीरियंस पहले था कि इंडस्ट्री से कोई नहीं चाहिए, तो आई ऑलवेज हैड अ नो इंडस्ट्री डेटिंग पॉलिसी. बिजनेस ओनली.
प्रपोजल्स तो आए होंगे.
हाँ,
रागिनी यहाँ झूठ नहीं बोलते हुए सच बता
गीता की कसम खा के बोलो. जो भी कहोगी सच बोलोगे. सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं.
Okay. So yes, who is your crush when I say cricketer?
Not my crush, but I like Virat Kohli. I think he's really cool.
Same page. Your celebrity, your politician, someone in politician you have a crush on?
Okay. No, I wouldn't want to name politicians. No, I wouldn't want to name.
Okay. One co-star you want to work or you want to collab again in your life?
Again?
Yeah, again.
No, I really want to work with people I've not worked with.
Okay.
There were so many people I've not worked with.
For example?
Like, I've worked with everyone, but not in the capacity I would like to work in.
Okay.
Like, I want to do one this. I like. It's not something I want to. If it happens, then fine. If it doesn't, then even better. I'm in that frame of mind. But I want to do this one hero heroine, like like a proper hero heroine film, like Dance in the Alps, wear those chiffon saris in freezing temperatures. I want to take the animal cruelty.
Are you talking about the film Animal?
No. I mean, this was my personal joke actually. Like they put heroines in saris in the Alps, and then there is a disclaimer: no animals were harmed during the making of this film. I mean, heroines are considered worse than animals. There are no disclaimers for leading ladies. There are disclaimers for animals and no leading ladies. I mean, there is a chiffon sari in sub-zero temperature, and the hero is like all the jacket, muffler, earmuffs, everything.
And ladies are just in chiffon
I mean,
sari.
hero ka jacket, muffler, sweatshirt, shoes, earmuff, cap, everything, and the hero is one chiffon sari. And then you see the heroine's lips are blue, which are covered with lipstick. And then there is a disclaimer in the beginning of the film: no animals were harmed during this movie.
I know where it's coming from.
Directors, please give us overcoats.
I also want a coat.
We also like pullovers, overcoats, earmuffs, and jackets.
But then ladies look sexy, right? And that's the reason
How is it sexy? You seeing her dying in the.
cold freezing eye.
You see blue lips
Hmm.
covered with lipstick, and you see the lip movement is also like.
हाँ यार, I know about it. Yes.
like Botox के बाद lip movement ऐसा छोटा हो जाता है.
समझ गई मैं.
So they have given a Botox का feeling in the eye.
Particularly which song you're talking about? I want
Every
to know.
song, every song. See every song.
Yeah.
Every song. See.
Okay. Did any show just for money?
All non-fiction. All reality TV.
So going for Big Boss? इस बार approach हुआ है? I don't think so. This time Ragini Khanna is into Big Boss house.
मैंने Big Boss का एक सीजन नहीं देखा है कभी.
मुझे ट्राई करने में क्या है?
अब मेरा लाइफ, पर्सनल लाइफ ना बिग बॉस से 10 गुना ज्यादा ड्रामा है. बिग बॉस इज अ लो इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट फॉर मी.
You're gonna be super hit, I'm telling you. The
Yeah.
insider joke you have.
Yeah, but then I will belch, bloat. What if I fart on camera? Then what will you do?
It's okay, no? You're there in the room.
The belch, bloating, and then there's burping, and then there's they show the woman's ass, and it's so distasteful, it's so ugly, and then they're putting they do these nasty things on your skin, and then there's one toilet which is so dirty. It really gross. I mean, the concept is gross,
Oh.
but that's the task also.
Yeah.
not my scene. I like hygiene a lot. I live a very hygienic life. I need to wash my clothes twice a day, and and my diet is like 4 बजे ये खाना है, 4:30 ये खाना है. Big
Yeah.
Boss में कुछ नहीं होगा.
Right.
मैं गंजी होके बाहर आऊंगी.
Okay. Did any show just because star cast was very famous?
No, never.
No.
I was always the first one to be cast, and then my star cast came. So I used to tell him और कौन है साथ में. He's like पहले तुम कंफर्म हो जाओ, तुम्हारे हिसाब से सब आएंगे. So I was the kid in the center, and then the padding was coming. you come, फिर तुमको तुम्हारी एक्टिंग ठीक करने के लिए अच्छे आर्टिस्टों को लाएंगे.
What's love for you?
Huh?
What's love for you?
Commitment,
What's a red flag for you?
dishonesty.
Describe Ragini Khanna in 3 words.
Oh my God. Blessed, grateful, and thankful.
Is there anything Ragini पूरे इंटरव्यू में जो आपने झूठ बोला है हमसे?
I've told you शत प्रतिशत सच. Now उसके पीछे there is और 1000% सच which is not coming on camera.
Do you do pranks also?
No, Baba, never.
हैं?
Not one.
Not into pranks?
Never.
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है आपकी पर्सनालिटी से ना
I do
you will
must-
be
I
you will be
must.
that girl full time energetic हंसते रहना
I'm no
हंसाते
prank.
रहना.
I'm no prankster. मतलब मैं प्रैंक भी क्या कर लूंगी. मतलब क्या प्रैंक कर लूंगी. मेरा इतना टटपुंजिया जैसा प्रैंक होगा ना कि मतलब वो एकदम ही हार्मलेस होगा. I don't like pranks also, and I don't play pranks.
And if someone plays a prank, close someone plays a prank on you, how does that feel?
Depends on the magnanimity of the prank, and depends on the intensity of the prank. If the prank is petty, then fine. If it's very intense, then
It's crust.
you're out of my life forever.
But before going, I want to ask from you कि अगर अभी आपको कोई अप्रोच करता है किसी रोल्स के लिए तो what will be your criterias? Because I know you have been very choosy about your work. You want to work अब क्योंकि आपने इतना साल एक अच्छा बॉडी ऑफ वर्क किया है तो आपका वो क्राइटेरिया फिट होना चाहिए क्योंकि यू आर देयर, यू हैव बीन देयर, यू हैव डन इट. So what's your criteria right
My criteria is to be loved wherever I am.
now? Okay.
I don't want to operate from a place of negativity and a place where I'm not wanted. I want to be yearned for, I want to be longed for, and I want to be acknowledged and accepted. If I'm none of these, then I don't do the job. And this has been my only criteria. Unless and until the maker really doesn't love me and want me, I never do the job.
But is there a fact that because from where this is coming from, I think, was the past experience?
No, all my jobs which I've done, Jaya, are only because the makers really wanted me to do the job. You know? So, I mean, money has never been the criteria. My fee is equal to the amount of free jobs I've done.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
मतलब इतना पैसा लिया है उतना ही बराबरी का फ्री काम किया है. तो वो अगर आप वो मिलाओ तो the money is gone. You call it the highest paid actress, and then at the same time you can say equal amount of free work. So I have compensated it in many places.
Right.
So that is maybe God's way of balancing my life, of my karma being clean and me coming out clear. So that is how it is. You know, that is why people like you also love to call me again and again.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
Why do people, keep coming back to me?
Correct. Correct.
Despite of not being a part of their work, but I still get the same people.
Yeah.
है ना? So maybe I've done something right.
Absolutely. That's why I quoted that you were the highest paid actor once. But Ragini, before going,
It's really an honor. It's the biggest honor I have ever received.
Right. Before going, I want to say you this, that it's always been a heart to heart with you, and it's always been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for always considering me. Thank you so much for talking to me. It was lovely talking to you, Ragini.
Yeah, you're my lucky mascot now. You're one of my lucky mascots. Like even in all the journals and the podcasts I've done, all the interviews. Now people are going to grudge me for only talking to you and not there, because I'll be like, please watch the preceding interview.
Now my friends gonna tell me this that कि तुम्हारे ही कारण मुझे इंटरव्यू नहीं मिल रहा है.
तुमने
रागिनी
सारे
का.
सवाल पूछ लिए, बाकियों के लिए कुछ बचा है.
But thank you so much for talking to me, Ragini.
It was really sweet of you to reconnect and really had a great chat. And all my lovely audience out there, I know my interviews are really long, but I come in a very long duration of time. So I just keep up with what I have left behind. So thank you for being with me, and thank you for nurturing me all these years. Please keep your feedback coming in. Please keep on with the reviews. I really get motivated and inspired to serve further. Thank you so much.